Hello everyone, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be about nighttime skincare routine. I have been making videos on morning time skincare routine and I have never made a video on nighttime skincare routine. So this video I'm going to be making a video on nighttime skincare routine, yes, and I'm also going to be practicalizing it, showing you guys some of the products that I use at night and how to go about them. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, guys, this is where to subscribe to my channel and also like my video, leave your comments and also share my video. So without further ado, let's get started. So when it comes to nighttime skincare routine is more of a routine that helps you to incorporate most of your treatments. If you're suffering from acne, that is the best time for you to incorporate your treatment into your routine. Okay, so most times the morning time skincare routine is just like a routine that helps you to protect, more like a protective routine, but nighttime routine is more of like a treatment routine. Nighttime routine and the morning time skincare routine is almost the same. The only difference is that you incorporate a treatment in your nighttime skincare routine and you also keep your SPF in your nighttime skincare routine. That is the only difference. So in today's video, we're going to be starting out with a cleanser. Now the first thing you will need to do at night is to apply your cleanser. Okay, so first of all, you know that nighttime is when you're trying to get rid of your makeup, rather remove your makeup and also your sunscreen, and that is a perfect time for you to go in with a cleansing balm. I currently have this cleansing balm here. This one is by Good Molecules. This is the one that I'm currently using. So if you actually want to cleanse, rather get rid of your makeup, your sunscreen, the best thing for you to make use of is your cleansing balm. So this cleansing balm over here is from Good Molecules, and this is the one that I currently use on my skin to cleanse my skin. If I want to go in with double cleansing, I first of all make use of this cleansing balm first. When I apply it on my skin, then I go in with a gel cleanser. The gel cleanser that I currently use is the Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. This is the gel cleanser I'm currently using, this one. So after I'm done reusing this on my face to melt off the makeup and all the sunscreen, then after washing it off, I then go in with the Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. This is one I use, and I've currently cleansed my face, so I'm not going to be doing that. I cleansed my face like 30 minutes ago, so I'm not going to be doing that right now. I'm just going to go straight to the next phase, which is using your toner. So now I'm going to be using right now is the one from klairs, and this is the klairs Supple Preparation Unscented Toner. Now this is a toner from a Korean skincare brand. I don't know if you guys can see it properly, but this is the toner called klairs. Now the reason why I'm using this toner is because my skin barrier got damaged a few weeks ago and I'm on a journey of repairing my skin barrier, so that is the reason why I am making use of this toner. So I'm just going to be putting this into my cotton wool or your cotton pad, any of one of your choice, or you could apply it directly with your palm, but I prefer using my cotton wool or my cotton pad. So I'm just going to use it to cleanse my face or tone my skin. So I'm just going to tap it on my face, pat it onto my skin, my face like so. Now after applying my toner, I'm going to wait for the toner to settle into my skin properly. And if I was not going to, because I'm actually trying to repair my skin barrier, if I was not trying to repair my skin barrier, I would have gone in with the Roshun AHA BHA and BHA toner. Now this one is more of like an exfoliating toner, more of like a chemical exfoliant. So if I was not going in, if I was not trying to repair my skin barrier and it's one of those nights in which I want to exfoliate my skin, I would just go in with this particular toner. But because I'm trying to repair my skin barrier, I'm not going to be using it. Okay, after my toner, the next thing I'm going to be using is my serum. Okay, I'm going to make use of a serum. Now this serum is from Good Molecules. This is their discoloration correcting serum, this particular one. So I'm currently using it on my skin to help in my discoloration, because I currently have discoloration. So I'm going to shake it and then use a dropper to apply like 3 drops onto my skin and then rub it into my skin like so, making sure that I take it around my skin. I'm going to pat it into my skin. Now if I was not trying to prepare my skin barrier, like I said before rather, I'll be going in with the Good Molecules Overnight Exfoliating Treatment. Now this Good Molecules Overnight Exfoliating Treatment would also serve as an exfoliant for my skin in one of those nights I would want to exfoliate my skin. If I'm planning to exfoliate my skin maybe like 3 times in a week, I could use my exfoliating toner on Monday, then I could use this one on a Wednesday. So you're not advised to use it together. You're not advised to use it at the same time. I cannot use my exfoliating toner and then go with my exfoliating serum. That is too much exfoliation. So it's either I make use of the toner or I make use of the serum. So I would just make use of this maybe like another day in which I'm not making use of my exfoliating toner. So that's how I would have been using it if I was not repairing my skin barrier. So I also have the Niacinamide brightening toner over here, the Good Molecules Niacinamide brightening toner. Now this is how it looks like. If I was not also if I was not also repairing my skin barrier, I would have been using this one. Maybe in one of those nights, maybe I feel like I want something, maybe I want to apply an active onto my skin, I could actually incorporate this into my skincare routine. But because I am repairing my skin barrier, I am not using this one. And this can also be used in the daytime also, not just at night, but it can also be used in the daytime. The next product I would have been going in with is my Dermatica. Now this Dermatica is a treatment. It's a tretinoid and niacinamide treatment. Now this Dermatica tretinoid and niacinamide treatment, I would have gone in with it as my treatment if I was not trying to prepare my skin barrier. Now the reason why I'm not using it tonight is because, like I said, I'm preparing my skin barrier and I'm trying to stay away from any form of actives because I don't want to harm my skin, because my skin barrier got damaged due to my own carelessness, if I should confess, due to my own carelessness. But because I'm trying to repair it, I'm trying to stay away from anything active. I'm just trying to go in with more products that will help hydrate my skin and moisturize my skin. So that is what I'm going in with right now. But if I was not trying to prepare my skin barrier, I would have gone in with this, because this will help to get rid of my hyperpigmentation and also my dark spots. I would have gone in with this. This is from Dermatica. It's a brand that actually gives you a personalized treatment. Yeah, they personalize the treatment for you based on your skin concern and then formulate a product for you and then they give it to you. So this is the one I'm currently using right now. During your treatment phases, when you want to make use of, maybe incorporate things like your sheet marks, your acne treatment, and any other kind of treatments that you want to actually incorporate in your skincare routine, this is the stage that you will actually incorporate them into your skin. Now after your treatment, you want to go in with your moisturizer. Now this is the one I'm currently using. This one is by klairs also. Now this is klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream. Now I've been using this one for my skin barrier. It's going to help to soothe my skin and also going to help to trap in that moisture that I currently need, and it's also going to help my skin barrier also. So I'm currently using this one on my skin presently. This is the one from klairs, like I said before, and it has been really good on my skin. It has been helping my skin out, helping my skin barrier. So I'm just going to put this onto my skin and then rub it into my skin. So before your moisturizer, if you actually have your eye cream, you can also apply your eye cream. But because I don't have an eye cream, so I'm not going to be applying any eye cream on my face, on my eyes. So this is the last step in your routine. First of all, your cleanser, and advisably you double cleanse, then your toner, your serum, your treatment, and then your moisturizer. So these are the 5 major steps you actually take in your nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'm going to also leave the names of these products that I currently used on the description box for you guys. I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video, and I'm also going to be leaving a link of my morning time skincare routine also on the description box for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video also, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So guys, till then, bye.